Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a breaking news for you. This is an article that came out of 15th May yesterday from suasnews.com. So if you're an enthusiast drone pilot, or if you are an FAA certified drone pilot, you might want to stick this one out and watch the video, because on the news right here it says that Steptoe secures ITC win for Autel in patent dispute with DJI. So in a nutshell, Autel Evo won the patent lawsuit, and they're making DJI cease all the production of their some of their drones. So the article says right here, I'm going to read it from the article itself. Steptoe has secured a significant trial victory from Autel Robotics USA at the U.S. International Trade Commission, that's the ITC, on March 2nd of this year. The chief administrative law judge of the ITC found that DJI Technology and 7 related entities, together known as DJI, the world's largest maker of consumer drones, violated Section 337 of the Tariff Act of 1930 as amended by importing and selling drones that infringe Autel Evo's US patent number 9260184. So that patent belongs to Autel Evo. I'll link the news down below so you guys can check that one out, and there's more details to it. And if you want to check the patent in a nutshell, all the specifics on that document. So as a result, the chief administrative law judge recommended that the infringing products be excluded from importation into the United States, including the Mavic Pro, Mavic Platinum, Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom, Mavic Air, and Spark. So all of those drones from DJI that I mentioned, those are popular drones, so we'll see what happens in the future. So, and it further down the article, it says that the chief administrative law judge's initial determination also recommended a cease and desist order prohibiting DJI from selling any of those products already in the US at the time the exclusion order issues. It also granted Autel's request that DJI post a 9.9% bond during the 60-day presidential review period following the exclusion order. And it goes further. It says, if the chief administrative law judge's determination is upheld by the full commission, these products could be taken off the US market as early as July. So Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic Pro, Mavic Platinum, Mavic 2 Zoom, Mavic Air, and Mavic Spark. If you planning to buy one of those, you might want to buy it as soon as possible, because this article is saying that once they upheld the verdict, they're gonna cease and desist all the sales of those DJI products. That's what the article is saying here. That includes the Phantom 4 and Inspire series drones. So that's almost the entire fleet of DJI's drone. And I'm not against DJI. Just a disclaimer here, I own an Autel Evo, the first one, and I've flown only about 10 times. I was actually planning to buy a Mavic Air 2 because of the portability and the flight time and the camera for it. So we'll see. I might have to pull the trigger if this law happens to get upheld by the full commission, because by July they might take those products off the shelves and stop selling them in the United States. So that's this article is from yesterday. And yeah, if you're planning to buy a DJI product, you might wanna pull the trigger as soon as possible before July, unless DJI counters with a counters the decision in the lawsuit, but this is clear cut that it's patent infringement on behalf of Autel Evo's competitor DJI. So that is crazy. That's the entire fleet of DJI. Wow. Okay. That's it, guys. I'll link the articles down below. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And that is crazy. Wow. All right, so yeah,